bekumele ngayo parliament. I'm sorry, my gadget failed me. Because I think you've seen this. Bekumele ngabe parliament nina 90%. Awucabanga ukuthi inkulumo enje zifida le sentiment ethi you've got political ambitions. Yonke lento nisebenzela ukufeza injongo zepolitiki.
Yeah, abantu base South Africa are very smart people, and but they will always figure out if you say something out of just saying it, or you are saying it because you are ambitious about it. So I mean, I would never undermine abantu base South Africa ukuthi bathathe inkulumo yomuntu eyikhulumela ejabule bese beyamanisa nezinto, and we understand the attack that we have eqhamuka kubantu who don't want to see South Africa right, including leaders abangafuni ukubona South Africa ilunga, because voters to them is a business. So we are not, I mean, I'm not worried about what Macingwane. I know Macingwane. I know he's a very good-hearted man, and sometimes he will say things.
He doesn't want to see Parliament constitute 90% of farmers.
I don't know. He's a man. He's an old man. He's a grown-up man.
Who is associated to your movement?
He's a man. He's a man. He's got his own ideas and everything. So when he was speaking there, I was not there, and I don't subscribe to what Macingwane says, and he doesn't subscribe to what I say. But when we sit down and talk about Izwe, and when we are together, whatever we say when we are together, it is something that but I respect him, I respect his opinions, and I will never say he's wrong, because I don't know what he was saying. And sometimes people will quote a 30 seconds out of context. Yeah.
Katide, I guess let's address the elephant in the room. Ngicabanga ukuthi sesilomenzane ngokwanele umhla ka-30 June.
Yeah.
Kwenzekani abantu bahlele uvalweni, umphakathi uhlele uvalweni. No one wants to see the repeat in July 2021.
It will never happen.
Kwenzekani ngomhla ka-30
June? It will never happen. I want to take our country into confidence. I want to promise uMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa. I want to take into confidence Ubaba Utami Ntuli, who's leading the KZN province, and all other premiers in South Africa, to calm down and understand that we are only helping our leaders. We are saying actually the leaders on the day, and they should come out and come and address the crowds, because we are not going to damage anything. We are not going to break any infrastructure. We are going to say, look at us. We are here. You are our leaders. We have problems, and these are seeable problems. You can see them. They are in front of your face. The problem of immigration is right there in the leaders' faces. So they mustn't look other way. They must look at the real problem.
It's difficult to come down when I was saying given the events of last week, Escort, where we saw looting of
the community was provoked there. Let us be leaders. Let us be leaders, and let us be real about it. The community of Umjezi was provoked purposely by the illegal foreigners or people who are owning the spaza shops. They were provoked. We don't condone what happened, but ama foreigners afana yeke ukwedelela abantu base South Africa, because going to court when you are given a deadline to say by these 21 days you should vacate those shops, because by constitutionally you are not supposed to own them. So if you nisuke lapho nihambe nenkantolo niyodelela umholi, people were provoked. We don't angifuni ukuthi sithi le yanto yaba yimbi kabi, asifisi futhi ukuthi yenzeke, but sicela abantu bokufika bewahloniphe ama South African and their leaders.
Ukhuluma ngokuleader izinsizwa eziyimillion ngomhla ka-30 June. Which one assumes ukuthi angicabanga ukuthi kuyoba imashe yodwa in one city. You've given assurance ukuthi you will be commanding them. First of all, angazi mhlawumbe usazongichazela ukuthi how you going to command all these 9 provinces, but as long as there is no provocation, there won't be looting. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. No.
If there is provocation,
no, there shouldn't be. There shouldn't be. We don't even want to go there. We don't even want to think about that, because we are saying we are peaceful. So why would you provoke peaceful people? We're just walking in the streets. We are saying to the government, look at us. We are 1 million people. we are concerned. Actually, it's not.
One has seen how you njengoba kade ngisho nje ngingancoma ukuthi indlela ama discipline onayo ungabuqamba manga umuntu futhi insizwa zakho whoever they are and wherever they come from, because asivumelananga lapho angakacacela ukuthi
ziphuma emakhaya you should join.
Kodwa ke ziya ungakhohliswa yibuko ekhathithe ngeinsizwa na siyakulalela manje kodwa in 9 provinces, you can only be in one of those marches.
100%.
How then do we know what happens in the other 8 provinces?
We trust South Africans, we trust our pedis, we trust our Besotho betu, we trust our vendors, our Xhosas, Amamponda, Amachachabe, Amahlubi. We trust them that they want the same thing for South Africa. So wherever South Africans will be gathering, they must make sure they call each other in order, so that to order, because bengenzi into thina as leaders. If they are following us, they mustn't do what we don't do. And if umuntu enza wherever he's going to be, enza into okungeyona, amaphoyisa should be there.
Are you in xhumene namaphoyisa?
Kakhulu siyawahlonipha amaphoyisa, and we always want them to be there. And that's why we are always live when we are always live. You can't edit live.
So nisebenzisana net joins,
yes. CPF, crime fighters, security companies, police, everyone. We are getting everybody involved to make sure we don't find amadolobha ephazanyiswa nemisebenzi ephazanyiswa, and shops should be open. The shops for South Africans should be open on the day, because people will need water, they will need juices, they will need bread.
Which brings me to my next question. Manifesto yakho, for want of a better description, ithi mele ngomhla ka-30 June ababe abokufika sebehambile, and then uphinde ukhulume nangokuprovoke ukuthi only violence ilokuza only when people are provoked. Clearly you and I know ukuthi bazobe bengahambile.
Yeah, we know some of them.
Then what happens to that ultimatum?
We got our lives to fix the country. The country has been run for 32 years under democracy. So you can't expect to go 1 year. So we are starting this thing. This thing is going to go on for the next until it's fixed. So that's why even in March and March would say we will march until we win, because into zamukisho Mangobeso ukuthi asizukuma ukukhumbuza abaholi bethu, we are the voters, we are South Africans, please look after us. So until that is done, we will never stop.
Some of your followers are taking this ultimatum literally. Again, video la. Kunabantu abalolo bushu la ku Facebook.
No, people are.
Kunabantu abebalana ngeyitolo kulesam kuzobe sekulisamnana. We know some of it is probably done in jest. Kodwa we don't know which.
No,
you just said now this ultimatum is loose. But do your followers know that?
Yeah. No, people will always, before these matches, people would make jokes about things. So they are just making jokes, and some of them are even making, now they've become content creators of this aligned with Amamachi Etu. But siyazi utheqinisweni abantu bakithi, they want the country to be great. Abantu bakithi bafuna kulungizwe. Abantu bakithi, they know ukuthi they can't wake up in the morning and own a shop. But into ezokwenzeka, we will involve ETIA, we will involve small business, or involve LED, masipala, to groom our people to become entrepreneurs. I would sizovele sivuke ekuseni sonke sesona itolo. But lezi itolo eona abantu bokufika, they're not doing any good in the country, because these people don't bank South Africa. These people are selling illicit goods that are not coming through customs. They're not paying levies. So it doesn't matter. You can't be crying, if valorous istolo, so over a problem. No, we won't have a problem, because as we are speaking, on Saturday, a child that is 6 years old is getting buried. We have a funeral because of this, and we have hospitals full of children who ate these illicit goods. And we
have funerals on both sides of the divide. Mossel Bay.
Yeah.
Nakhona bayangcwaba abantu bokufika ababulewe just this week, over the weekend. But yes, yisiya story somfana lo
but still condolences to the boy's family, because he passed away anyway. Whether he was stealing or what, he passed away. The saddest part ukuthi abantu bese besebenzisa ukufa komuntu kwaZulu, even umama wayengane kwaZulu ngokweculture yethu, and I know ukuthi kwaVenda nakwaXhosa nakobani is the same culture yokuthi if somebody passed away, you contain yourself, uhlale uzile uba hayi ukuthi umuntu ahambe ekhuluma nama social media efelwe kanti futhi ukukhulunywa amanga. So still sizwelana kakhulu nomndeni omfana, ngoba whether ubentshontsha ingane, whether ubentshontsha ubeganga, abafana bayaganga then walimala, kodwa nakubo laba bokufika futhi uma kukhona abalimele nakhona sithi shwele, kodwa ka asingene lapho thina. Esesifisa ukucacisa ke namhlanje ukuthi sicela ukuthi abantu uma bezohamba amamashi, kakhulukazi uma bezothi bahamba amamashi lawa wethu, fanele kube ukuthi yithi esikhiphe leyo poster yokuthi sizobe se Daveyton, njoba sobe se Daveyton nje kusasa nango Monday, yithi esikhiphe ipost, then abantu sebengeza kuleyo match, and we have to be there. You can't say hayi senze imatch thina imatch inophakela umthakathi, and uphakela umthakathi akayazi leyo. So ke sicela ukuthi bekiyeke lokho abantu, and sesizwile ukuthi abantu they are creating these matches to go and loot and and extort money from ama foreigners. So amaphoyisa must arrest those.
And yonke leyo nto is being done in your name.
In my name. So they asikwazi ukuvuma leyo nto ukuthi abantu behambe beyokweba, beyontshontsha bethi hayi thina sizokuprotect, hayi thina sizokuprotect.
Kodwa uyacabanga khathidi ukuthi if ngomhla ka-30 June turns out, goes out of hand, which you will be held liable.
No. Who will do that to me? Because mina wherever I will be, there won't be any violence. Where I will be, and remember, I've never called for any march on the 30th. I said 30th is the deadline. So I did not say on the 30th there will be a march. So whoever wants to be involved on what I will be doing on the 30th, they should come to where I am. So whatever is going to happen anywhere where I'm not around, it's not my problem. But we've issued the order. No looting, no vandalism, and no hatred, no tribalism, and no xenophobia. So we've been very clear from almost 1 month, 1 year, 6 months.